Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You'll start by preparing essentials: your Kotak account number, registered mobile number, debit card with PIN and PAN or Aadhaar if requested. On your computer or phone, open Kotak Net Banking or Kotak mobile app, choose New User or Register. Enter customer ID or account number and the OTP sent to your registered mobile. This verifies you. Once done, create a strong login ID and temporary password as prompted. Make sure to note the password securely. You will change it on first login. You will now set up authentication and access. After logging with your new credentials, you must register your debit card or generate a transaction PIN as instructed. This enables fund transfers and bill payments. Follow the multi-factor prompts, OTP, debit card details, and a numeric transaction password. When setting the transaction PIN, choose something memorable yet not obvious. Avoid birthdays. Make sure to enable biometric login on supported devices for quick access, and to link beneficiaries if you need to transfer funds to other accounts. To complete setup, verify account features and limits. Check balance, view account summary, and perform a small NEFT or IMPS transfer to a registered beneficiary to confirm transaction flow. Once you succeed, save a screenshot of the confirmation and note the transaction reference number. If you set up mobile alerts, ensure SMS and email notifications are active. Troubleshooting tip: if OTPs fail or login is blocked, immediately contact Kotak customer care from your registered number or use branches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.